Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing ISO-view drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools, especially with the mirror and the linear pattern tools. There are several ways or steps to create the 3D model from this ISO-view drawing. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D model. Once you open FreeCAD, you will see the Start page. Go to Simply to create new empty document button and start the workspace. First, create a new body and then create a new sketch. Save the file. Creating the lower part of the 3D part. Here is the ISO view with the dimensions. First, we create half of the lower part and mirror it later. The dimensions of the front surface. Sketch half of the front surface on YZ plane. Use the polyline tool. First, we create roughly the shape of the profile, and we will put the dimensions later. Click the right button to exit the polyline tool. Set both lines equal. Grab Dimension tool and add the dimensions to the sketch. Set these two lines equal. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. Close the sketch. Now our profile is ready and we make it solid pad. Select the sketch and extrude it by 90 millimeters. The first step is finished. Now, we create the rip, step 2. The rip is 37 millimeters away from the front surface. First, we make the pad symmetry about the origin. To create the rip, first create a plane on which the rip will be sketches. The plane is located 37 mm from the front surface. Flip the direction of the plane. Sketch the contour of the rip on this plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Let us create reference curves from the existing part. Use again the polyline. Sketch the contour of the rip. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Extrude the profile to the thickness of 7 mm. Mirroring the body about the XZ plane. Select the body and activate the mirror tool. Select Transform Body. Then select the XZ plane for mirroring. Now, we need a hole for the screw, and for that we will create a hole. The hole has a diameter of 13 mm. I create a sketch for the hole on the top of this surface. Choose this tool to extract the reference edges. Assign the dimension to define the location of the hole. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. To create a hole, select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool. Select Through All option. The next step is to pattern the hole into directions. The distance between the holes in Y direction is 105 millimeters and in X direction 50 millimeters. Activate the MultiTransform tool. Select Transform Tool Shapes and then press the icon Add Feature. Now, select the hole. Click the right mouse button and choose the type of pattern. In this case, select Linear Pattern. Now select the axis in which the feature be transformed. First, select the Y-axis. If you do not see the second hole, then invert the direction. Then, click OK. Now, we repeat the procedure again. But the transformation will be in X direction. Click OK to confirm. Now, we start with Step 6. We sketch on the top of the lower part with a height of 35 millimeters. Select the sketch surface and then the sketch tool. Activate the rectangle tool. Height 35 millimeters and width 40 millimeters. Sketch the circles with diameter 40 and 20 millimeters. Constrain the circles to the end of the line. Set the two lines of the rectangle equal. Remove unnecessary edge or curves. Let us create reference lines from the existing part for positioning the sketch. Constrain the sketch to the end point of the reference line. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and extrude it by 75 millimeters. Again, if you do not see any new pad, activate the reverse button. Step 6 is finished. The last step is to create the rip. The position of the rip is in the middle of the part. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Extract the reference edges. Now, sketch the contour of the rip. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Extrude the sketch to the thickness of 7 mm. Don't forget to make it symmetry to the XZ plane. Now, the 3D solid model is complete. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. I added some fillets and new appearance to the final 3D model. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.